Today I have an iPhone 11 here for repair. The phone is in really great shape and stopped working overnight. As you can see on the meter, the current is not normal. It jumps from nothing to something, but it far away from normal charging voltage. In the next step I will remove the motherboard from the housing. Do not forget to remove the SIM reader on this model to properly remove the board. When I connect the phone to the power supply, it draws immediately 4 amps. So we have a short on the board. I put the board under the thermal camera but couldn't see anything obvious. So the next step is to separate the board halves. Before that I have to remove the foam stickers around the connectors, to avoid them melting on the preheater. Set the board on the heating platform at 180 degrees Celsius. I have to wait a short time so the preheater can reach some temperature. To speed up the process, I helped with a little bit of hot air. When board is ready, I can lift up the upper board half. Next thing is to remove the radio frequency board from the heater. Let's take a look at the board to see if we find anything obvious. But nothing stood out. I connected the upper board again to the power supply and found out the short is on the upper layer. I found a heat spot under the thermal camera right under this shield. So the next step is to remove that shield. I covered the connectors around with heat-resistant tape. I'm applying 380 Celsius to remove the shield with a razor blade. Once the shield has been removed, I started the thermal camera again and found the capacitor that is causing the short. Now it's time to remove the faulty capacitor and replace it with a new one. First let's check if the short is gone. Yes. Ground resistance is back to normal again. Now I'm applying flux and some middle temperature solder. Here I'm soldering the replacement capacitor and adding new flux. Cleaning the motherboard with PCB cleaner. Time to solder the shield again by applying some flux again. Carefully place it and slowly apply hot air. Press down gently on the shield and hold. Put the lower layer on the preheater and apply flux. Carefully plant upper layer on top and adjust. Help soldering by applying hot air from the top. Apply pressure with tweezers. This is only used when the solder is still there from factory, as there are spacers between the board halves. Let the motherboard cool down by using custom fan which was built from my kit in school. Remove the motherboard from the preheater and let it cool down further. Install the motherboard to the housing and connect screen and battery. Connect a charging cable to the phone and check the current on the meter. Phone boots up normally but screen is dim because front flex is not connected. Fault cleared. Thanks for watching.